Hey, you like them scrambled, right? Fine, don't answer. But you're getting scrambled anyway.
Eloise, please.
What was that story that Mom used to read to us again? The one about the wife and the husband and he traps in that house? And then she went, what was that called?
The yellow wallpaper.
That's it! I never liked that story. It always felt incomplete to me. No, there were never any consequences for the man. But it wasn't all his fault. I mean, don't get me wrong, men can't do anything right, let alone take care of their woman. But I already knew that.
Please. I swear we ended it. I didn't know he was coming over tonight. Please, I swear.
I always thought the women were just as much fault as the husband in that story. I mean, the nurse took away her baby, and her husband's sister did nothing about it. They're supposed to help, right? I mean, women support women and all that bullshit. Hell, I think the sister was just as much fault as the husband. Eat. Eat! Jenna, eat. It's the least you could do after fucking my fiance. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? I'm glad we get to spend this last time together.
I swear it was over.
Jenna, I know you thought I was stupid as a kid, but don't be fooled. I'm not that anymore.
I just wanted to have dinner with you. I didn't know he would show up. I'm sorry. Please.
I still loved you, though. Even if you were a bad sister.
Please. I'm sorry.
So I'm glad we get to spend these last few moments together. I trusted you. You were my sister.
Please. I'm sorry. He's nothing. It's just us. I promise. We're sisters, right?